Got a brand new Bronco coming in to get a new exhaust. Drive right up on. Rev her up a couple times. Rev it up a couple times. We'll see how it sounds now. Rev her up a little ways higher. So not a whole lot of rumble right there. Do our unboxing of our muffler for this new 6th gen Bronco. Got all bubble wrapped up nice. Instructions and some foam and some hardware, some hangers, urethane. Looks like you got the black. Okay. We're going to spray a little lube on all these hangers to loosen them up. A little penetrating oil.
Yeah, because it says to leave the rubber right on there.
And we got to take the clamps loose.
Yeah, this one.
And this is the axle back system.
What do you got for a pry bar?
And work the rubber boot off. Rubber right there. There goes one.
I might have to hold it and you're going to have to pry that one a bit. Yeah, those hangers stay on the body. Close enough.
And there's the other one off. And there's the muffler. And here's our new system. And this is the old muffler. So we're going to be putting it up under here. And it's winter time. Been sold on the roads. We're here in Ohio. But you can see the old hanger here. And over here, which we just pried them off. This is the clamp you took loose right here. And that was 15 millimeter. And once the muffler's out, you just install the brackets. See that one? And this one. Unfortunately, there's no part numbers on them. Okay, we've got our urethane pieces mounted on the exhaust, so it's ready to go in. we've got the one hung on this side.
That one went on pretty easy.
And it went on pretty good. But this one isn't cooperating as much, so we're gonna take the bracket off. And then slide the urethane onto the bracket and then put the bracket back up. Okay. And just double checking. The exhaust is lined up.
That's a pretty good guess. I don't like that touching.
Yeah, we'll tweak it around a little bit when you get your everything bolted down. There it is. And we got these little clips.
What socket was that?
And we'll use a 15mm socket. And we'll put that little black clip on these little clips.
Hammer.
And take the hammer.
Huh. Well, one split. I don't think it's going to go anywhere though.
And then we'll put one of these little things on this side. Not much room. We've got the exhaust bolted up. And this side over here has got the nylock bolts. Those are 13mm. And we actually had to take this side loose to finish sliding that on, as you saw earlier. And that worked out pretty good. This side is a 14mm bolts. And we left it on from the start. You can kind of see the driver's side takes the... there's not a good way to tell them apart until you bolt them up in. And but there's a 14mm socket on this side, and this was a 15mm. Everything's all tightened up now. We had a little bit of trouble getting, we used a 15mm socket and a hammer to kind of tap that on. And then we used 2 pairs of needle nose pliers to kind of walk this one on.
They can't really come off.
No.
I think it just safeguard it.
Boy, what a difference in sound. What a difference in sound. Before at idle, you couldn't even hear it. So we'll get down on the ground and we'll rev it up a little bit. Just check and make sure everything's tight. Feel for any leaks around the clamp there.
Feel like leaking. Yeah, it says leave those old hangers on.
Yeah, and just in case you
don't lose them.
leave your old hangers on there. So you can always go back to your old muffler if you have to. But yeah, that sounds a lot better. Yeah, you couldn't even hear it before he revved up. Big difference. Even at idle. A lot throatier at idle.